Hello everyone, my name is Celina Vessoaker and welcome to my YouTube channel Astrobrightness. Well, I'm doing this because I love helping people and someday hopefully we'll connect. What to expect from my channel? Well, I will be consulting as well as teaching on various subjects like numerology, Indian numerology, Vastu, which is also called Feng Shui, astrology, palm reading, face reading, intuitive tarot card reading, angel card readings, and much more. Most importantly, I can teach you home remedies, quick and most effective to solve all your little and major problems in life. So stay tuned, like and subscribe to my channel Astrobrightness for more details. Also comment, leave your feedback, leave your suggestion as I'm new to this, and hopefully we'll connect soon. Love, light, and God bless. Thank you.